How to screen record on your Samsung phone effortlessly. So if you want to capture any moment on your screen, then you can easily use screen recorder feature and customize it. For this, firstly, swipe down from the top right corner to access your quick settings. And then you should see the menu with many icons. Just pull down on the menu to expand options. And you should see screen recorder. If you cannot find it, then you gotta add it to your quick settings. For that, find pen icon on the top of the screen above your quick settings. Click on it and tap button Edit. After that, you will see available buttons list on the bottom of the page, so you can swipe left to find screen recorder, and once you found it, just tap on it and it will be added to your control center. Then click down in the top right to save changes. Then again. And now, to customize it, firstly press and hold screen recorder icon. In your case, it will be gray. In my case, it is white because I have already enabled screen recording. I'm recording right now. So press and hold the icon and you will be redirected to settings. Here, you can customize this feature. For example, you can change format. You can change where you want to store your screenshots and screen recordings. For example, not in the internal storage, but somewhere else. And also, most importantly, you can customize to record sound with media and microphone, as I'm doing right now. And unfortunately, I cannot change this setting at the moment to show you because I have already enabled screen recording, as I said before. So you will see several options to record with microphone enabled, media, or microphone and media, or just turn everything off. Select any option, and if you want to hear your voice at the final result, then choose option with microphone. If not, choose media. Also, you can change video quality as well as change selfie video size. And you can enable cool features, show taps and touches, as I have enabled. Basically, whenever you will tap on the screen, you will see it as little white circle. And also, when you will be recording, you will see floating button on the screen. So you can tap on the pen, for example, and draw something on the screen and it will be saved in the result. You can also tap on the little person icon and it will turn on selfie camera as well. You can stop and pause the recording. You will see this floating button once you start your screen recordings. To start, just go back in the quick settings and tap on screen recorder once. You will see countdown and after that, little chime and screen recording will be started. To stop, again, just tap the square button on the screen. That's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.